Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. Bonang is suing Rea $500,000 for saying she put AKO on drugs. Bonang is not letting this go down without a fight. QueenB's name has been dragged through the mud several times, and Sis is splitting fire with a lawsuit from her lawyers. Rea is a YouTuber, and on the 9th of May, he made defaming accusation about AKA and Bonang on his channel. Rea mentioned during their conversation that TV and radio host Siyabonga Scoop had told them that AKA is on cocaine and was introduced to drugs by QueenB. Rea had said to his co-host, the accusations were regarded as defamatory and hateful in the letter of demand that Bonang served Rea on social media. The lawsuit from Thompson started off by mentioning that it is regrettable that Rea is served on social media, but there is no other way of going about the matter, as he had been ignoring Bonang and her team's call when they contacted him privately. Prior to posting the letter on social media, Bonang had asked her followers to help her find Rea's email address. Mugai is in serious trouble. The best option is for him to come out and apologize. I mean, we are talking about $500,000 here, and it's a lot of money, guys. I'm just saying.